Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is can't hold a candle to. Can't hold a candle to something. So this means that a person or a thing is not nearly as good as the other. It's a way to say that someone or something is not as talented, skilled, or impressive. That's my cat in the background. She's hungry. Think about it this way. Long ago, before electricity, helpers would hold candles so someone could see what they were doing. So if someone could not hold a candle to another person, it means they're not as good or good enough to assist them. Okay, so let's look at some example sentences. No other singer can hold a candle to Beyonce. That means other singers aren't as talented. This new phone can't hold a candle to the old model. That means the new phone isn't as good as the old one. He's good at drawing, but he can't hold a candle to his brother. His brother is much better at drawing. So give it a try and let me know how you do, okay? Like and subscribe. Tomorrow, there will be a role play using can't hold a candle to. So practice, put some comments in the chat, and we will see you soon. Bye.